Imagine a world where humanity has conquered the stars. A world where we're not confined to our tiny blue marble, but can explore the vast expanse of the universe. Is this just a dream or a reality within reach? Today, we're going to delve into that very question: is spaceship technology a reality? To answer this, we'll explore the history of space exploration, the challenges we face, and the advancements being made. Let's start by taking a trip down memory lane. Space exploration began in earnest in the mid-20th century, with the Soviet Union launching Sputnik 1 in 1957. This marked a turning point in human history, igniting a space race between the superpowers. The Apollo program, culminating in the moon landings, was a monumental achievement. It demonstrated that humans could venture beyond Earth's orbit and set foot on another celestial body. However, space exploration is no easy feat. It's fraught with challenges, both technical and logistical. One of the biggest hurdles is the immense distance involved. Even our nearest neighbors in the solar system are light years away. Then there's the issue of propulsion. Current rocket technology is incredibly energy-intensive and slow. To reach distant stars, we need to develop more efficient and powerful propulsion systems. Another significant challenge is the harsh environment of space. Radiation, extreme temperatures, and microgravity can pose serious risks to astronauts and spacecraft. Despite these challenges, significant advancements are being made. We're developing more powerful rockets, exploring alternative propulsion methods like nuclear power and solar sails, and designing spacecraft that can withstand the rigors of space travel. One promising area of research is the development of reusable rockets. By reducing the cost of launching payloads into orbit, reusable rockets could make space exploration more accessible and affordable. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics are enabling us to automate many aspects of space exploration, reducing the risks to human astronauts. The future of space exploration. So, where are we headed? The future of space exploration is incredibly exciting. We're on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, one that could see us colonizing other planets, mining asteroids, and even traveling to distant stars. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the potential rewards are immense. Space exploration could provide us with new resources, new knowledge, and a new perspective on our place in the universe. So, to answer our original question, is spaceship technology a reality? The answer is yes, but it's still in its infancy. We've made significant strides, but there's still a long way to go. With continued investment in research and development, we can overcome the challenges and unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. The future of space exploration is bright, and the possibilities are endless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.